What is going on, guys? It is Jezzi, and absolutely banger trades today. Super happy with my trades today. Boom, just to start it off, as you can see, sent that John out instantly in these 504 puts. You cannot make this up. This shit, literally 2 points. It dropped 2 points in a single candle. In a single candle, it dropped 2 points. You cannot make that up. So, purchase these 504 puts for $1.21 a piece at this first big support zone. As you can see, pretty solid rejection. Sold 45 of my 50 contracts at $2.53. Left 5 remaining runners. It came back down. It came back down to where it was previously 253. It was now around 280. Sold 3 more of my contracts. Again, retested, came up. I can't remember if I sold here. Yeah, it came back down here, 280, drop. Went to 480 and sold the remaining 2. So that was a 300% trade, about a 9-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Super clean trade. And actually, on this first rejection, I scalped calls here. Those went really well. Those did about 30%. Big main trade, main put did about 300%. That scalp did around 30%. So super happy with my 2 trades today. Again, that's back to back 2 for 2 on the day. This was a 9-to-1 risk reward. This was a 8-to-1 risk reward. I did lose on Tuesday, but then on Monday I had 2 wins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 for 6 for the week. Cannot complain at all, and a week's not even over. We still have Friday. So let's get into this little trade review. It's really not that complicated. As you can see, pre-market just trending up. My initial price target was here for these puts. Actually, no, I'm lying. My initial full take profit was this support here and this post-market consolidation yesterday. But it just smashed right through that, and I actively manage my trades. I don't take my I actively manage my trades. I don't set exact stops, and I don't set exact take profits. You know, that's the beauty of how I trade. I can maximize my returns, maximize my gains as it goes. So really happy again. So yeah, why'd I take a put entry? Okay, so as you can see here, came up to this resistance, rejected, started slowly trending back up, came up again, rejected, came up, rejected again. Now this opening 3-minute candle came right up and rejected super hard. Price action is telling me this is a super tough zone for it to break, and especially it doesn't have the volume. It doesn't quite have the volume. You can see pre-market. It doesn't really tell you the exact volume, but you can kind of get an idea. You can see strong buy coming up, sell is getting stronger, weak buy, stronger sell, weak buy, stronger sell. So sellers are stepping in and buyers are thinning out at this resistance. Also, psych level came up to this 507 psych level and absolutely got tanked right back down. So next candle, now my ideal trade is puts here. As you can see, came up, spiked down, and this is the key resistance that I'm watching. This is my area of this is my make it or break it. So boom, super strong sell candle. Rejected, came up, and as you can see, it is now holding under this previous support here, and this is what I'm watching right here. You see that? See this candle right there? So this is where it retested that initially. So a break of here, and I'm in there. As you can see, came up, broke below, sent that trade out. Stop loss is this high here. And it absolutely dropped. Like these types of trades aren't going to happen every day, but being prepared for them is so important. This could have funded your whole account for a long time if you bought the correct contracts. I bought 504 contracts at $1.21 a piece. These contracts at the peak they were at $6.20. If I were to held out my whole entire position, I would have made like 30 grand on this trade. But I'm very, very conservative with my trades, and I take a lot of trims. I'm very conservative, but I always get great percentage and great returns on them. So I don't. I'm gonna stop saying how much I make on each trade because that's private information. I could care less how people think if people see how much I make. Like I that's not something I want to put out there anymore. I'm gonna try to like tone down on it. Even though I really don't like post that much, but you know, if that's private information, shouldn't be sharing that. Uh, but I will 100% like show my like fills. It doesn't tell you an exact amount, but it still shows you like I took the trade. Uh, yeah, so 2 for 2 on these. I didn't put the template here because I was just scalping. I never really put a template when I'm scalping. So yeah, super simple trade. Not simple, but like, well, it's nothing. None of it is simple. It's simple to me, but again, super good trade today. Very happy with it. Um, yeah, that concludes the trade analysis for the day. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. If you have a question, just leave a comment.